Derrick Knob. And rained a lot last night. It's rainy and cold and windy up here. I got about 10 miles to Clingmans Dome. Yesterday's hike, it was 12 miles, probably more than 12 considering the water runs halfway down the mountain. Yeah, it was a long day. A lot of elevation. Just very tiring. I mean, there were times when I just had to stop and lay down on the trail for 10 or 15 minutes just to get some energy back to get up the next hill. I think the temp dropped 15-20 degrees. My knee was hurting pretty bad last night when I got into camp. I ate some meds and went to sleep, got a pretty good rest last night, luckily. And now my knee isn't hurting yet. I mean, I can feel, I can feel it wincing, but it's not screaming at me yet. Can you hear the wind? Yeah, man. No joke. Alright guys, this here is a perfect water source. A rain puddle and leaves at the base of a tree. And who knows how long that'll be there, a day maybe. But anyway, that's a very welcome sight out here in the wilderness of the Smokies where you're 10-15 miles from anything in any direction. And I'm approaching Siler's Ball. I'm real glad I'm behind this ridge. If you were to get right up here, I'm going to get probably blasted when I get there. It's pretty intense, man. Pretty intense. It's a doozy. You don't want to go far.
2.25 miles.
It started raining on me completely, so I had to switch. My feet were slushing. Yeah, it's one of those days on the trail, man. You put up with it, I guess. You're forced to walk 10 or more miles to get out of the wilderness, and then nobody can come help you out here, man. I mean, if you had a spot, you hit your SOS button maybe. But I guess a ranger and his little quad runner or whatever he's got, he can probably get up here and help you out. How are you going to get in touch with it? You know, that's my thing. This phone has 0 signal. The only thing I can do is get the hell out of here. And that is a great motivator. Get over here to the shelters. I think I'm going to hang out and have some food and then make my way up to Clingmans Dome. I'm about, I don't know, maybe, that thing's at 2.25, so I'm actually 4.75 miles away from Clingmans Dome. So I am now getting pelted with hail. Look how wet my jacket is, man. And I gotta go way up this uphill. to get to Siler's Bald. I've only seen 2-3 hikers out here today. Everybody, good morning. So, as you can see, the trail is it's a little wet, snowy, icy, and we're coming down here to Clingmans Dome. I've already hiked to the top many times, so we're just coming down here. But these dudes are going to give me a ride in Gatlinburg, which is cool. Here we are. Oh, really? Sorry, this is my vlog. Say hey. Hey! These are the 3 nice gentlemen I met at the Devil Spring Gap Shelter.
Oh, yeah.
I made it. When we got to the top of Clingmans Dome, it was covered in ice, the whole thing. Rangers were making everybody leave. They were shutting the whole place down, and the cool dudes that I had met gave me a ride out because their car was there. So thank you guys. That was awesome. I want to show you guys a couple things though. So I got completely soaked before I got to the last shelter. The wind, the rain, I mean, it was pretty brutal. Anyway, hiking out, everything was soaked. I was able to get dressed with these rain pants. Can we even see? So I got these rain pants on, and then I got some long underwear, and I had my dirty socks, which were still dry. The socks that I had changed into clean ones got completely soaked. And this is the funny thing. These are my shoes. There we go. These are how I survived wet shoes. And it actually worked. Just got back from the Sugarlands moonshine testing, where I tried sampled 8 different types of moonshine, which was awesome for $5. highly recommended if you get out this way. For $5, you'll taste a lot of very interesting things and leave with a buzz. I'm here at the Gillette. This is where I decided to get a room. It's family owned, super nice staff, super clean. You know, the room is it's not the Hilton, but it's completely doable and I dig it. So the price is decent. I'm gonna be heading to Mount LeConte in the morning. Got a shuttle out here at about 6:30. Should be at Newfound Gap at about 7:30 a.m. right before the sunrise. And I picked up a ultimate peanut covered apple, some chocolate sea salt fudge, and an orange juice for breakfast. I'm heading back to my room, gonna dump this off. I'm gonna head to the Smoky Mountain Brewery, where I want a steak, so as much as I want to go to the brewery, if they don't serve steak, I'm gonna go somewhere else. And choose to you from the Cherokee Grill in the Great Smoky Mountains, Gatlinburg, to the mountains.